So hello, here we go. This will be my first ever unboxing video. We'll see how this goes. This is a Peavey, and we'll see how it looks when it comes out. It's the 6505-112 combo. A nice little gouge right here, but other than that, the box seems like it's in pretty good shape. I'll probably be looking for that knife later down the road. Oh look, it's in a box, Nice. Oh, shit, how the hell you get it out of there? Alright, we'll do this. Tear on the side too. Big tears. But I don't see any damage, so let's flip it the right way. Freshly painted walls. 6505 112 combo. 6505 plus. Exciting stuff, huh? I bet. There's a big gouge right there. Wah, 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 wah. Goodies. Power cord. Owner's manual on the disc. That's pretty cool. That up there. Foam inserts. Good thing that hole is basically right at the edge of one of those foam inserts, but it's nice and thick, so no damage. Now for the unveiling. That's the back. Turn it around. Ooh. A receipt. We're having massive high winds and a big giant 30-foot chunk of my tree broke off a little while ago. It's supposed to get worse tonight. So we'll see if I even have power later tonight. We'll probably be able to get to play this tonight. Anyhow, there it is. Looks pretty good. No marks yet. And that's the exciting unboxing. Pretty crazy, right? See if we can't see with the back before the battery dies on this too. Alright, I'll soon have a video of me playing this pig. Later.